Hi everyone, it's Jeff from Avada here with an Avada short. Today we're going to quickly look at how you can analyze the data from your Avada forms in Google Sheets. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest videos like this one. And if you don't want to miss one, click the bell icon to get notifications of all new videos on our channel. Okay, let's begin. Let's say I've added a survey form to my website that I send out to all my clients, and I'm starting to get feedback from it. If I go to the Avada Form Builder and view the entries for that form, I can export them as a CSV file so I can analyze them in Google Sheets. I've set up a Google Sheet here and imported that CSV file, and I've also made another sheet to work out the averages on my 4 metrics. I want to keep an eye on these metrics over time. So now let's say a month has gone by and I have a lot more entries. Let's look at how I can update this sheet to include the new entries. I'll come back to the Avada Form Builder, and now we can see there are a lot more submissions. So I will view the entries again and export them once more. Now that's downloaded, let's come back to our Google Sheet. I'll go to File, Import, and then the Upload tab. I'll click on Browse and select my downloaded CSV file. That just takes a few seconds to upload, and now I get this dialog. Under the import location, I'll just change this to Replace Current Sheet, and then I'll click on Import Data. Our new submissions are imported along with the old ones, and now if we go to our analysis sheet, we can see it's picked up the new entries and that our averages have been updated. Awesome, looks like things are picking up. Okay, this concludes our video on how to analyze Avada form data in Google Sheets. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest videos, and if you have any questions or need assistance, please create a support ticket and our team will gladly assist you. As always, we want to thank you for choosing Avada.